and welcome to Wanies Academy. Today we're going to be talking about spellings with a specific focus on plurals. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to do the following. The first is to identify singular and plural nouns. The second is to form regular plurals correctly. The third is to recognize and use irregular plural forms. The fourth is to apply spelling rules when forming plurals. And the final is to avoid common errors in plural formation. So, meaning of plurals. Now, a plural is a form of a noun that shows that there is more than one person, place, animal, or thing. For example, one book is called a book, and two book is called or are called books. So books are usually designated, plurals are usually designated with the letter S. There are two main types of plurals: regular plurals formed by adding letters using S or ES, and irregular plurals formed in different ways. So rules for forming plurals. The first is by adding S to most nouns. So book becomes books, table becomes tables, car becomes cars. And adding ES to nouns ending in S, SH, CH, X, or Z. For easier pronunciation, add ES. So boss becomes bosses, dish becomes dishes, church becomes churches, and box becomes boxes. Nouns ending in consonant Y, changing Y to I and adding ES. For example, baby becomes babies, city becomes cities. Nouns ending in vowel plus Y, simply add S. For example, boy becomes boys, toy becomes toys. Now, they have different rules to remember when it comes to plurals. The first is spelling changes must follow the pattern. Do not simply add S to every word. Learn irregular forms by memory. These do not follow standard rules. Do not confuse plural with possessions. Plurals do not need apostrophes. Incorrect is books with the plural S, and correct is books with just the S. Examples of plurals in sentences include: the boys are playing in the park, several buses arrived at the station, the children are reading their books, the leaves have fallen from the trees, two sheep were grazing in the field. And for summary, plurals show more than one noun. Most plurals are formed by adding S or ES. Some words change spelling when forming plurals. Irregular plurals must be learned. Apostrophes are not used to form plurals. And with that being said, we've come to the end of our lesson. Please do not forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button for more of these videos. Thank you, and goodbye for now.